Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, our today's topic is the phases of action potential of the SN node. Clear? So, now SN node is an important structure present in the heart which regulates the rate of myocardial contractility. Now, inside the heart in the right atrium, SN node is present. SN node act as a pacemaker, continuously starts signals, gives signals or origin to the signal, these signal transfer to AV node, then to whole ventricle, then heart contract under the influence of SN node. Now we'll check what happen in SN node, why it contract, what are the phases in its action potential. For that, this is normal graph of the SN node action potential. As SN node is pacemaker, so we can say these are phases of action potential of pacemaker. Very simple to understand. Now this phase which is called as phase 0, clear? This is what, seeing that the difference between this and that ventricular action potential. See, this is not straight. If that would have been straight, that would be stable. This is unstable basically. So phase 4 is what? This is a phase of the action potential of SN node. Phase 4, what is that? 4 phase. This is phase of resting in SN node, but basically this is unstable. Clear? During this instability, what happened? Why this phase is unstable? Now this basically answered by a point why SN node act as a pacemaker. Until and unless this polarity reaches to the threshold, action potential will not develop. Now why there will be threshold in that? In the SN node, no external stimulant to SN node. SN node itself act as a pacemaker because it has leaky sodium channel. So phase 4 is due to leakage, continuous leakage of sodium from sodium channel. So leaky sodium channel cause the upward deflection in that resting phase. When it reaches the threshold, then depolarization occur in the SN node. Now this is due to sodium conductance. Clear? Leakiness is due to leaky sodium channel, and that causes basically the unstable this membrane potential. Clear? Unstable resting membrane potential. Then this phase in which from negative direction towards positive, normal negativity is minus 55 to minus 60 in that range, and positivity is not more than the 10 or 20. Clear? So this second phase, which is here labeled as phase 0, what is second stage? That is phase 0, mention here phase 0. In that what happened? In change in the membrane potential from negative to positive occur. So this is called as phase of depolarization. Clear? Phase of depolarization. Now this is due to which channel? Importantly, you have to remember that this is due to important calcium channel. Clear? So depolarization is due to calcium channels. Clear that? Means there will be increase in conductance of calcium inside the SN node, so its membrane polarity will change from negative to positive. But this is not abrupt, this is slow depolarization. See here, if that would have been abrupt, there will be straight upward line, no straight line, but in that direction, so slow gradual depolarization occurs. So this is second, known as phase 0. Phase 1 and 2 are not present in that. Directly this depolarization. After depolarization, then there will be repolarization, slow repolarization, denoted as phase 3 phase. So third phase, known as phase 3, this is phase of repolarization. Polarity again from positive go towards negative. So phase of repolarization. This repolarization phase is due to activity of potassium channel, so increase potassium conductance is responsible for that. Clear that? Due to increased potassium conductance. So these are three phases. Phase 1, first phase, phase 4, due to sodium channel. Depolarization phase denoted as phase 0 due to calcium channel. Repolarization due to potassium channel. So these are three phases of action potential of SN node. तो आज हमने डिस्कस किया कि जो कंडक्टिव सिस्टम है ऐसा नोड इम्पल्स जनरेट करता है, इसीलिए पेस मेकर कहते हैं। इसके जो एक्शन पोटेंशियल है उसमें तीन फेजेस हैं। एक, ये जब रेस्ट के ऊपर हो रहा है उस वक्त फेज़ 4 है, वो रेस्टिंग मेम्ब्रेन पोटेंशियल, लेकिन वो अनस्टेबल है क्योंकि कंटिन्यूस सोडियम लीक होता रहता है उस ऐसा नोड के अंदर, जिसकी वजह से अनस्टेबल उसका रेस्टिंग मेम्ब्रेन पोटेंशियल है, वो सोडियम चैनल की वजह से। फिर वो अपने थ्रेशोल्ड पे पहुंच के डीपोलराइजेशन होती है, लेकिन एब्रप्ट नहीं होती, स्लो डीपोलराइजेशन होती, वो होती है कैल्शियम चैनल की वजह से। फिर पोलैरिटी वापस मेम्ब्रेन अपनी जगह पे आती है, जिसको रिपोलराइजेशन कहते हैं, वो होती है पोटाशियम चैनल्स की वजह से। ठीक है, सो रेस्ट, डीपोलराइजेशन, रीपोलराइजेशन, ये तीन फेजेस हैं एक्शन पोटेंशियल ऑफ पेस मेकर के या एसए नोड के। ठीक है।